Yeah, vote about. No, because the voting lines close got 16, which is like this Friday.
You got the damn thing already.
Yay! Bana bamba act ka montle ka mo. Yay! Kya act mara yay! Yele! Take let's sing speech. If ka win ke tlo. What is it?
Change the narrative. Take it or win.
Yeah. Take it to nya If kilonka hoja. I kilo yinka. Nya ke batlo go iplela mana, ke batlo go itha. Okay.
Yeah.
Period. Do now spilling. Have you eaten? I haven't eaten escape food video. Okay. Ha kilonka hoja ka staging ke tlo re. Obviously I'm gonna be Oh my god. Kana kwa den dress ya ka ring. Makeup ring. Period, girl. Installation from Lush Shrines, essay from Midrand. Period. And then Kitorim. Kiri. Oh my gosh. Good evening, beautiful people. Am I gonna have enough time to cry like that?
No, you won't. Cry and talk because everything is short.
Okay. Guys,
Then you hold it, then speak.
thank you so much. Most importantly, I'd like to thank God. Thank you to everyone that voted. Most importantly, I'd like to thank my man, my invisible man. I'm gonna thank my mom and everyone that voted. Shame. And Elena Little, this is the part where you guys cry when you see me on TV. Olga, TV. Oh my gosh, Nikki Italian.
I didn't watch TV.
You must watch it that day. Olga, you have to cry. How you say about TV? I get Ulor. Oh, no, say, we Nikki Italian. Bobo, where do you install your hair? I install my hair with Lush Strands or SNX. Oh, Nikki Italian, oh my gosh. No, Baba, you have to cry. You want to say something on the live? It has a filter. Say hi.
How does he look in that filter? Hi, Po.
No, a full time. Let's see your mom. She's not here. She's at work. Yo.
Let's at work, guys. Can't tell you
But Gogo ki batla call for eats.
Keep on Gogo, ma.
Gogo ma 2K. O botlhoko hampe. Ke tlo fa number tsa Gogo batla number tsa Gogo.
Gogo no sa ntlhatlhobi hona.
Kaniki go in. Kaniki. All the best. Thank you so much. Mara vote la vote mara. Matlatsi a nyoko tsena. A hlanye peps.
Live yo I na go ka nna le that thing e bo ipina ba tletle ba bone go ba votela mo kae.
Kopa somebody I ngwale guys. Star 120 star 320 20 star 3 hash and vote for number 11. I'm from the USA. Tla nkehle yo. No, yes, no, ke blockile ola mpotsa ntho snacks. Guys, I was still saying languages. I can speak so many languages. Has khulum. Bafuna ukuthi sikhulume.
Wena no bani?
Mina now.
Angisazi Zulu mina.
Star.
Ke Motswana.
Hey umphile ke ema. Hey girl. Wena wa umpitsa umphile. And why some follow? Bona ke o follow and unfollow. Unfollow. Ke shebile scheme sa mno can't smack you guy. I kids now smack you guy.
Who's that?
But star 120 star 320 20 star 3 hash and vote for number 11. Go Maiza. Yo, that's crazy. Go if Lotaka does a mapila, send daddy fire emoji. Yo. How to become an actor? Get an agency, get getting auditions, and then attack. Is Melita your real mom? No. She's my mom, yes, but not my mom. I have someone special that wants to greet you here. Ke flag ya eng eo? Ke ya Botswana or ke ya eng? Nna flag e ke itseng ke ya France fela, guys, because forever Mbappe. Guys, le aware hore Mbappe ha ka tla South Africa a re, pack your bags, baby girl, leave your career even. A re tsamaye. Ke ile.
I believe you.
Ke ile. Aha,
I believe that she would.
Nna for Mbappe. Mamela. Ke a dlala yo.
And such a small thing, but by Goa last week, last month.
I was not go sharing. You guys have it wrong. I keep going, actually.
We are going in last level. Manga vela lendoda la kuyanyini. Olentomba.
Mbappe. Bayira alili if kilizo. Alili byang. Mara auspuleng ha tsone ba le re o ko lesong. O ntse mo ntle mona mo stilong continuity. O tshwere mogozo. You know what kills me? You're wearing exactly the same way, you know, the last time. True.
When I win, Robin.
Just give me my money. Woo! Rekitsense gogo go nyiwe. Ai mara gogo nna ke a tshaba. But just nna le time. Baba, skate. ETA 15 minutes. Uskatsamaya wena gogo, uskatsamaya.
Ke
Mo monate o le live.
ho monate wa e ka eng?
Una le positive underground vibes. You are getting me. Can't you miracle ntsikiri o high. Nyana. I'm at work. He's like, John, can I say extra traveling, please? Scave, can I extra traveling? La mono on jealous. Who I extra traveling? Talent traveling? Yes. Yes. Yeah, go on, miracle yo. Scave. I was born gay. Do you have airtime? There is on my side, Scave.
No, I'm not gonna skate you because only not chat and I'm decided to help.
I wanna vote for myself. Okay, just one vote.
I'm gonna vote for you.
I'm out. Hey, yeah. Lunch it like everybody can to vote. And ask about. When Zanele? Where's Alangala if you are you done shooting? Are you done shooting?
Yeah, I'm done.
Surely let's below West Ho, I think. Let's below market. We only shoot strategies. Ah, yeah, you're not after lunch. Mara, you're fighting. Young people like one about poster. Book the lead role. What? Book the lead role. You're my leader. Period. 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 No, serious. Kina ko. Go kina ko agiri.
Kina ko vel.
Mara, this take bugai hitara iki bugai. Kira kila maka, this one is nice. So me wanna this heater go wanna this heater.
Pila.
Pisa.
Pila sham.
Mariha sama.
Tla can get like ver kisa next year.
Never nunca ki Maria munna. Aki kan lipi fo bang. Litabola ka hello hi day. Now. What kita ki hijack ubo sa bonor phone ya wikai. Cave ki 150 baht ba hulu ki mare. Like you're relaxed, you're on drip. You are. Woo! Why do I feel like eating? Eating fruit jile omelette ne. Agizur ne kya kan.
Mujimak.
King, calm down. 3 minutes yang. Ke na go bona ke experimenta ka TikTok. Calm down yang. Aye, ira vote papa. For all. La bona ra vote. Ka star 120 star. So itle iri insufficient funds. Ngaluma mbata. Laibon. It's just a 150. It's just a 150. Baro gogo awukhulume nami.
Ngikhulumeni mara Shem.
Una mdumo wako. Laibon.
Wagowa lena.
Just this. And then you say 1 to continue. And then you select your province, right? So I just write 7. Like I don't go down because I know 7 is Gauteng. And then it gives you all the names. So I don't also go down. Like I don't press 0 to go to next because I know I'm a number 11. So you go to you press 11, and then it says thank you for voting. Then I'm done. Thanks. At least 1 vote counts. So when I get to mention I'm go speeching sag. You only mention. I can't quote you because you know why? I don't know because the awards is the next week. Nah.
And they also know me as a makeup artist. So
so kimathat. Ana tabalin na wait. Biang Lisa. Ke votile votang. Lentini haide.
Lentini udidimetse why?
Again, Gauteng ke number 7. And then I'm number 11 after Gauteng. Shout out, do the most. And you have unlimited votes. Shout out, do the most.
It's upcoming.
Huh? Yes, the next week Saturday. I'll get to register perhaps. No, I'll not register perhaps.
No, you're not. It's not.
Nyina batho ba go rata go bua yalo. Ke kana age. Nya re apara ing to the awards. That's the question. Go kopa o bule lentini re apara ing hle. And you know what happened? Look at we bought tickets, but ga gona selo, ga gona so se do buang ka sona se o no was bad.
Ing e ke se batlang.
The confirmation.
Serious, there's nothing.
No, I agree because Mama also bought on her side.
You both got the same link, nothing, no SMS, no email.
Yep.
What?
Or what you can do if you want it straight, Rega Ticket Pro, then buy it from Ticket Pro straight.
No, I went to Spane.
Oh yeah.
Sabanato, then I check out Sabanato. So,
Dimo Ticket Pro. Revota yang star 120 star 320 20 star 3 slash. Koko ko tshwaretse ditaba.
So wait, how can I get that proof of payment basically?
I think so. I've never been to the awards, guys. So now I can't tell, but I'll ask today.
Yeah, ask before. Cause I went. I like Lily Capitec when Anahan.
Rirukise. Well, Rukisa. Today, Honale Tabo Unova Nation. Yeah, bro.
I even went to Capitec.
Go why?
When I get to Hile, Nana Chelte Ella. Who Pilwaka?
When oh, generators out. Guys, Kupali sending money for my dress. Yeah. She's always herself, period. Yeah, the royalties. Akina Roko, Akina Silo, Akina nothing. Precious show me. I'm sure I'm a follower. Why was I look matter page? Otherwise, yeah.
Matata.
Ukang. Akina roko, akina setlhako sa kwai-kwai. Akina. O itse akina. A le nyako o ne ko tsamaya ka Bolt go ya di tsamaya ka Bolt. Rala tse o na leng tsona. A never. Ba ilong kgatella.
Asos.
You still have this?
Linton yana o rekile ticket le Thabo.
Why? Huh?
Linton o rekile.
Mina ngizidelete angazikhona
So
manje.
why ubuza kanjani? Why you say I'm still
No, cause
I'm gonna take it.
don't delete it. I'm gonna show you now after the live. O reng mo cause
Linton o rekile ticket.
a ke itse le ntse no krana le mmaka wa mitso byang.
Linton bolela mo phela rit.
A le ko Lesotho kwa.
Mara wena maro byang.
A le ko Lesotho. Guys, la vota mara. La vota. Le vota. Chua, hempe I ke in love le yona. I was pulling nna ka apara uniform ne.
You shirt is, I don't find next shirt in. Yeah. Is that what I saw?
Yeah.
Guys.
Ara sorry.
But I want to buy it. You're slacking. You're slacking. You're slacking. Le vota mara.
Only in this mode.
Kumele le vote every day. I'm wearing
Every day, every second, yeah, vote.
every second literally. I was pulling. Am I wearing uniform?
I can see what the starter is. Another uniform, another how if I'm starter earlier uniform. Yo, give me what I'm doing church.
Only I think. Boy. Nkosazana re kopa face. Yo, o tlo le swabisa o montle. Huh?
Yo. But I cry later, not no.
But whoever said kunini si voter is so real. So mara ku cut off ne. Ku cut off.
Some cut off. We're not having it.
Nitiang, you have to vote. Isn't
Yeah,
kunini si
every
vote?
second, not everything.
Why you really kunini si vote?
I won't need this vote. And the day we went to church of the told me bad.
Nka se lebale.
Tell Tamaya, or that you are in Bauba, how Africa more.
Mbappe, neki na le maka. Okay, ke a le kopa ke kopa le vote le ntle yo.
Zana Nifest there.
O tlo go tla skip jam. I miss you. Yes, ska wa man. A ka tsa nna re vote hape. Pila, I was sleeping. Wait, Charlie's the one that woke me up. Just voted. Thank you, Tari.
Only one scene.
Yes, I'm here.
Dialogue. One dialogue.
One dialogue guy bona. I only have 3 words. You guys just love seeing me on TV.
I've seen one
I can't roba. Like it's Kitsibilo West Ho one I got interview. Guys, if Lampatla back could have high Nlweleng. It's the petition hashtag bring back Ntswaki at Tef High. Yo. But I got a filter. It's like one my other filter. Yes.
Yeah, when Amara.
Just voted. Vote happy. Thank you so much. Vote hangat. Fail. Hangat. Can I ring that to some down? How vote hangat. Mudimo taubo. Will do, Nana. Kikupa let's petition. Kalere vote. Okay. If you a filter, little vote hangat. Reeta kai petition. Google petitions. Who started petition? Let's signing kaofela South Africa kaofela. Kindo. Huh?
What one?
Ke khona ho di votela?
Yeah.
Yes, sis. Ke thobile ho votela since once the voting lines. Ne ke le busy.
I don't know why you are so worried. Yes.
You don't know why I'm so worried. I think also it's not about being worried, but being anxious because it's my first time and it's something big. And I never expected it because now watching nominations, I was screaming for other people. Obviously, I wasn't expecting myself to be there. Yeah, but now when I see my name, I'm like,
For being nominated, it's already being chosen. I must tell you that you are a winner. There
aww.
is something. So to get an award, it's just a bonus, something to remember. Just to prove it.
Yeah.
Just to be nominated, it already tells you here.
Shame.
You understand? So you don't need to be hard on yourself.
I'm not hard. I'm just anxious because it's something big and like
But
it's
you're
like
gonna get it.
remember.
You're gonna get it.
But remember what I told you
Yeah.
when I saw you that I was doing whatever, and then I never expected to be in the same set as you.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
But
So
that's
even
really-
now, it's the same thing that growing up when I wanted to start this acting thing, it was because I was always watching the SAFTAs, not SAFTAs, the SAFTAs and the royalties,
The
right?
royalties, yeah.
So I was always watching those, and I always saw myself there. But when I was older, until I didn't expect it this young. That's why I was like, what?
Ah, do you remember I told you about the Lisin for when you were raped?
Yeah.
Listen, how you change from being the girl who's silly to be emotional.
Dango.
Oh,
mistake njengohamba newash.
no.
Star 120 star 320 20 star 3 hash. Ask Avaya, man. Get over. Okay, baby, you have so much support. Thank you so much.
Vele, Shem, you're gonna win. Don't stress. Stop
Ha!
stressing.
Go over. Guys,
Stop
take it.
stressing.
Thank you, winner. Retsama kaofela staging a ke re kaofela. Ya staging re lo tlatsa stage kaofela. Re when you get there, ke batla le nthina re hi there.
Budimaga.
How feel like I'm
Shem wena 9 followers. O tswa kae hi? I voted. Thank you. Kopa le vote nganga. Tla le vote bara. Ya vote. Ke ana kunini si vote wa tla ngisa confidence. Are ayo kunini si vote.
No, yeah.
Ke nyaka o itshware ka matsogo a one. LinkedIn. Type it ntwakana. E re ke bitse slow. Star 120 star 320 20 star 3 hash and vote for number 11. Lethabo Megwai. You feel it now? Gogo o letsang o le monating.
Aye, ke
Nna re mo mperekong
monate.
wena o monating. Styling jealous.
Seseke wa Jima.
Yeah. Period. Mo ketla. Mo seketla. You know,
What's
I
up,
went to the gym was like a month ago. I keep proud.
Nayena, Shem.
I tried to do my like you're born I'm alive. You can vote even more than twice. Yes, unlimited votes. Pila ke edited this live for batho ba vote. Go. Ngabelo now busy.
Ke busy kang?
Vote amo.
Kali ke vote, Shem. Gunile. Ke na le yona e fela. Ke tla vota happy every day.
Ke mahala ke mara le setso o tla nkutlisa botlhoko ke 150.
Nahana 150.
Next week Saturday and Mara, the voting lines close this Friday, guys. Yo, ke a le kopa. Closing
Bisola
date
Friday.
this Friday. Ke a le kopela mos.
Re tlo vota every day sa war.
Every second, every day young.
Nje.
16 in 2 days. No, nna ke vote every time. Abana ever since I've gotten. Yes. Have no thing ka hle. Ha hema fela a vote yo. Wait king. Can someone write it down so that I pin it? Because I don't think I'm gonna be able to pin it. Ed Matlati, he left. I see Matlati Olumnani. Madam Matlati, I'm talking about killing Bobo Boy. What are we voting for? Huna, di uvotela na. Ntona yako siabe. Dinsang, hi there. Yes, yeah. Saturday, what time? I think because the show starts at 8. Yes, yeah. Good luck, Nate. Thank you. Raurat. Alina kele la batle. Do I need a degree for acting? Not really. Give us details, sweetie Rutomina. Star 120, star 320, star 3 hash, and vote for number 11. Period.
Number 11.
11.
Jabuno.
Yes, yeah. Bottom ice cream, Shem. Just
Sam,
voted.
let me get busy. You call me when you're done.
Sharp.
Bye.
It's a book. Star 120, star 320, 20, star 3 hash. Whoa. Haide, Matebele, haide. O tla neng siabe. Ke tlo tla gae. I don't know, I'm not sure. Done. La. Ay. Guys, we're getting the gang. Let me be an AI. Hi. Hi. Heidi. Wait. There you go, guys. And then vote for number 11. Vote for number 11. Utlaning holy siabe utle marapiane because ke utlile ba re no utlile last week. Yes. Ne ke tlile. Ne ke na le bo Atlehang le bo Zondwana le bo Khoshi and them. Aski simulebogeng kwala gape tshong. Hi. Please send gift. Please vote for me. Ke kopa go ba serious.
You guys good?
No, I'm not good.
Oh. Wait. Say, I'm also hungry, yo, bro. Omelette take is jilling. I don't know if it's me or just okay.
Can you close on my ear?
Hi. Please vote for me.
That's why you are the
But e generator is switch off. Hi. Please vote. Ay! Adeva. Gang. Yo! Ice cream. Guys, send on the gift. Click it, let's see. Rose. Rose. Donut.
Nimkwatele lo mkwata ngazifuna nje afundi nokuba.
Yabona mawukwatelana kusho
Show me. Hi. Please send gifts. Hi.
Okay.
Are you good though?
I'm surviving.
Thank you for the rose.
Thank you for the rose. Thank you for the rose. Oh, man.
Thank you for the rose. Ice cream. Ice cream. Back to work. Hi, this is Posisa. I'm good. How are you?
Good.
Yeah. Do you eat bacon or not?
No.
Okay, that's just wanted to check.
Okay. What's that? Modimo ke okupela Jehova kupela nthiso re ke be serious ba khona umvotela ba khona umvotela ba khona lo nsendela di gift amen
Abantu abakhuthalele shema.
Abona mama ngizele bampilo ukuthula nje.
Yo.
Ngizele ithule.
Njengoba ngifuna ukudla kanje, yo ngabe sebayakhosta nje.
Ya kufuneka njalo.
Hayi, i-office. Yo.
Rose. Rose.
Ama-artist bafuna ukuthi
Rose. Rose.
ngoba bafuna ukuthi
Performance. Hayi masizobagada asimagada. Yabona into engikhombisa ukuthi ngisasekhiphi umsebenzi. Yabona
Rose.
Umsebenzi wa 22. But after the 2 days I'm going to be
Rose. Rose.
Even noma ngeke close ngekho as long as ubona kuba ngeke close ngabi khona mina uthi people ya ngiphosa ngizilapha ukuthi
yes
ukhuluma ngikhona nokuthi abantu bakhuluma noma bangakhuluma umuntu okusho nama yeah so
Hi, please vote for me. Star 120, star 320, 20, star 3 hash, and vote for number 11. Award. Award.
we understand
Hi. Yo. Hi. Please vote for me. Ngizenza i-robot ukuthi bangu. Hi. Music. Cool. Music. Hi, please vote for me. Rose.
Mama. 31.
35
35, yeah. What's the magazine?
Trust me. What's this? Vote. Please vote for me. Star 1. Oh, I know what to do when you guys send a gift. Your vote. Like, sharp. Star 120, star 320, 20, star 3 hash, and vote for number 11. Award. Award.
the same day the same day yomngcwabo Zanele ungena ugqoke nazo impahla zakhe zomngcwabo ufake nama-slippers ne
Star 120, star 320, 20, star 3 hash. Award. Award.
Bella, inside. You can take that.
Just say it.
Rose.
I need to pay them.
Abasebenzi labantu ba- I don't have jobs. They are unemployed.
They do. Oh.
Anikho emsebenzini. Yeah, but you guys are unemployed. Mara wa ile gata filter e bona ke jang.
Filter o ke yona eo.
But remove that filter, please. Self-employed. Wena shatitolo uri konna. Abasebenzi labantu.
Bayasebenza. Nami nje ngisemsebenzini kodwa ngizoza umnandi. Abo.
The one with you, I think it's the last
Are they working from home?
for
I
today.
don't know.
Cyril Ramaphosa. We don't have jobs. Now people are online.
Batho ba modimo
Ngoten.
I think so.
Rarekisha.
ba re ba itshebetsa.
None of your business. Oh, black spots. You're so sensitive. Get off the internet.
What the hell? Hire us. Sure. I'm in class. I'm coming on the 17th. 17th. Oh, for the auditions.
We're working shifts. Yes, that means you should be sleeping to me. Resting for your shift. Not online.
Not online. Tobias Twitter. Guys, I'm hosting auditions on Saturday, this coming Saturday. Modeling auditions name. So it's from 13 years until 19 years. And it's not what's this? It's not only for girls, like even we accommodate the LGBTQ. Man. King Mare. We accommodate the LGBTQ community. Inale ay ko mafelo. LGBTQI plus community. So it's Go Semi Max Chamber. Go Semi Max Chamber for RGP. No, it's for Miss Teen Icon. So I'm gonna be hosting the auditions from 10 a.m. until 2 p.m. on Saturday, ne? For Miss Teen Icon. Show me the AI fedile.
Are you wrapped, Mama?
What is that? Stress. AI. Semi Max Chamber, Pretoria, yes. Mwah. Yes. Chumi, is there any snacks or like banana or
There's no banana. Stays. Orange.
is there banana? Snacks nyana.
They are very suspicious.
Guys, what has problems? Which ones? Bites. What are those?
Those corn things. You know,
Yeah.
Homemade.
they're homemade. That's why
I think so.
What's that? Is it free? I would love to apply for my daughter. Yes, you can apply for your daughter. But if your daughter, so basically what happens is you come with 350 then, cause joining fee, application fee get 350. So you can come with 350.
Oh yeah. But it's
isn't that the last
but it's probably after that.
I'm late. Yes, so I was saying I'm hosting modeling auditions on Saturday, Semi Max Chamber, from 10 a.m. Can you sing? Yes, I can. Don't forget to vote.
And they must send me money.
No, show me. Come ask. Please consider for our 7 years, please. Very confident, but next time, please. Huh?
Such a filter.
What's your... You're so pretty, bruh. What's your advice to someone who wants to do modeling and acting? Do it. Start now.
Just find an agency.
Start now. Do it. But there's agencies that you guys can join, right? For acting, there's Mechlaring Actors and Performance Agency, which is the one that I'm in right now. And then for modeling agencies, I don't know of any modeling agencies, but I know I like academies. I'm opening an academy soon. I'm a producer. Tata screen, guys. Tata screen, Kimaka. Olga Upila, hey. Like,
Marie,
are you done shooting?
ushaka senior ka lwena. Ya gcina ka yona cause ranyisa rina.
Yeah. What's even? Untshwarisa stress, Olga. Mechlaring rejected me. Because you're so gorgeous, bruh.
Aren't you more gorgeous than me?
Umaka.
There's no such a thing.
Gorgeous young. Bongio. They rejected me last year. Now I want to study. Why did they reject you?
35.
Uskaba rejected Luena. Fight. Like, do your monologues. Hey, go all out. Why don't you consider also for the younger ones, like 10 and above? Oh no, I will definitely look into that, like for the younger ones. But I think for the younger ones, I need them.
I'm actually late.
Kitlo jeta.
I'm so sorry.
I got an agency.
But like, what? Omo agency le na.
Yes, I'm under an agency. Well, please make sure that your agency is under PMA. PMA agencies means that it's not fly by night. Just make sure. Just Google, do your research, South African agencies.
Guys, isn't all
under
that pretty,
PMA?
bro? Like on stress. How are you this pretty in the morning? I applied for agency figures modeling, but the present at staying too far.
Yeah, you need to be living around Gauteng, girl.
Gauteng is the way to be. If you're not this side, it's a problem.
Yeah, it's a flaw.
Ninga act. Actors are so crazy. Bon a fan. Hey, plus. Yabana lo. Uwes. Yabana lo in Kulmanai. Uwes.
Bongiwe.
I
don't know why that filter, because she likes it. Baby.
I like it, guys. Guys, Lia vota, Mara, Lia vota. Kikupa phone yao, Olga, kikupa phone yao kiti vote. Kikupa phone yao kiti vote. Ichume.
I'm gonna put up a WhatsApp status tonight so my whole family can vote for me.
Can they please limp in the group chat and tell me the family? Yo, at least I'm unplating my hair today. But I'm so lazy, guys. Who wants to help me unplait my hair today? Kunini vote ni guys. Friday, it's the last day. I'm unplating my hair today. Nya hair.
Guys, in employment season, I'm actually
Nya hair, man. Kilapile, man. Kunini kitensite jote nya
Yeah, so it's
Zanele.
Yes, madam.
Kena kana ke batla ditho pa ke show.
That's why you say I'm not
I'm finding an agency, but I cannot find one. Yeah. Yeah, Kona. For you, my love. In everything you hope or do, I'll encourage and believe in you. Yeah. Who writes love letters on the mirror? Abatinya, the Lord will fight for you while you keep silent and remain calm. Amen. Exodus 14:14. Huh? Kiri ke batla di top. Is there makula store around?
Like cookies, brown cookies.
Yeah, my braces.
No, I'll be quick. If I leave now, I'll be quick.
Things I'm hungry and what I ate in the morning wasn't fair. And I'm craving magrinas. Are there no magrinas around?
Let me ask Mpilo.
Yo, magrinya fail. I'm craving magrinya. How do we vote? Star 120, star 320, 20, star 3 hash. Star 120, star 320, 20, star 3 hash. Malam, I'm going to Mallor. What's up, man?
Yeah, fella.
Kisha po may light ticket la. Yeah, jago tsena after lunch. Toka ha ke go utlwa man.
Yeah, come on.
Jago tsena I think ka lunch. Ke 150 chomi. But hoe 100 and stuff. No, man, ek is goed, man. Ek is net moeg. Hela. Huh? Yeah,
My friend. Love you so much.
yeah, when are the cheaper kingy? If I get sick from these cheapers, yeah. Honore, ke live. Only nonsense prating. Kya kuiti. Kya kuiti. Wag din sang. You even have new scrubs.
You're probably killing me.
Come on, na doctor.
I'm gonna be leaving California.
Huh? To it.
I'm gonna leave someone here. It's a good piece. I'm doing a 13 episode.
Maybe.
Happy media.
These guys.
Nyakula, guys. Nyakula.
Oh, is that Vienna? Hey! Bye. Really? But you've been working, eh?
Do you still have that funny filter?
Yeah. Altijd. Hey, but you've been working, Shane. Ako tjalo lo go dula mo tlong mos.
Oh, so you
Asas werk nie. So at least to wena. Ubi. Batong no mafa. No mafa usra. So ako tama ha ka mo na 11 to the other production. And then I was gonna be staying here. Bantu kitso go kya kula.
Another handsome guy called Leo.
Ska ba re handsome guy. Ni kya khana.
Another handsome guy stole.
And handsome.
Eh,
Is it the real money? Kira is it the real money?
Wat is jou soos Diana? Anna van jou.
Ons krijgen Diana van mij.
You know Afrikaans. Yeah, you never said that.
I told you, my family is colored. This girl. Ja, ik krijg je mona.
Ahora le bukur na yan ako. Say.
Met Diana.
Say.
Ja, kiri. Mata kako. Die zwart mensen. Unsa Luana. Like, kirinya. How give up it? Kirinya, how give up it? And no, and they're so uncomfortable, man. Want udulan shebile and stuff. True. Tako shoot yang. Nakarate and unzale buy snacks, man. The other day because unsang cola and stuff. I'm from Kimberley. I'm from Northwest. Go Freiburg. Mga unto ya shop dan. No man, dit sal reg wees, Katlaring. Ek blom net vir die gatiking die vote toe en stuff.
Ek
Ek busy. Ek gaan shoot next week. Ke me tsela die awards.
Yes, girl.
Ska ba yes girl vote. En die next week, ek het nie 'n outfit na gaan.
Yeah, they make a plan day.
Kai.
You must make a plan.
Ek het nie geld nie, wena.
Maar met die kans dat man sê, né? Yes.
Jy koop donations. En ek koop sosa energy. Cause I slept Katri. Go and see that man. He left. He left. But he's coming. Leave. Hello, Leafy. Yelang do nabo 7 the land. Yo! Not 7 the land. What? Plan for the day. I'm at work. So work, I guess. You know, every time I'm live, my battery's like it's behaving. How are you so fluent in Sepedi? Yeah, ek weet nie. Ke multilingual, man. Let's have a sentence. Kim Sunday speak deep Sepedi. Don't you sometimes make mistake and speak Jana? I do, and it's normal. But skate pusa. Sometimes I brought Afrikaans because I'm used to it at this point. Yeah, skate. Actor, what should I do? Join the agency and then get auditions. Was it that thing for energy? Huh? For flu. What if you're not any flu? Kimaka. Scave the balance revote. Star 120, star 320, 20, star 3 hash. Is that cheap and yeah? What's Baroka?
Yes, Corona.
Yeah. Like drink me, bro. Yo, not even. Goeiemorgen, my crush. Hello. So you had sent me Max the other day wearing a pink suit. I was going to check the venue for the auditions that I'm hosting on Saturday.
I'm fast.
Weet jy wat? Ek klaar. Ja, daar is daai rook. Ek hier sy ratting. Ja, ja die vela ja gaan no maar. Am I supposed to drink the hele day? But like, I drink like
The entire day.
die hele dag nie.
Yeah. Maar man gaan vaak, né?
Ja, he.
Man gaan vaak next one.
Rata nyawa ga. Best agency for acting, Mitlaring Actors and Performance Agency. Are you seriously leaving?
Yeah.
Ja, hoe sleg.
Hey man, ik daar man, ik ga gewoon naar jou.
Hoe sleg. Ki mo sa tsamaitse mata gago?
What's up, man?
Ja.
Man, he needs to work night shift and his shift starts at 7. So here he's going to be knocking off at 6. So that side they're knocking off at 8. Come like 8 to 8. So if he's going to be staying that side, he's going to be late for work.
Ja. Tlogela go ba nice. Le re na go tlhoka ka ha man.
I'm not such a thing. Oh, I'm not
Molapo ke kae he?
still in Soweto, mommy.
Wow.
I moved like.
Gati ke muti. Ah, it's not muti, it's energy, it's Baroka.
Yes.
Letabo, I was so happy when you came to Klextorp and you recognized me, Danko boy. Yeah. Ek sien julle mo TikTok. Ek weet julle man. You are from Freiburg. Eh, Boemoes. Ja, maar ons legge bitumelo.
Ka go tla go chase kage.
O maka. O ntse go re ke last day. Ga ke tlo botla ha.
Amara ke bo ke ya ka go.
Ha, ene ba bogata mos. Ba ka se boreke man. Bompilo ba stinchi man.
La re lo mo tshola ba ke.
Kganti wa e. That side lwana.
Nah, you still have a long way, but it's 3 weeks.
3 weeks. Are they shooting a movie or a series?
Too much else.
Same. Nna ke ne ke ba botsa gore so what if ke ne ke le Zanzibar ke instotse ke shake my ass on a yacht ne la khwetsa ya ga ba itse cause dilo tsa bona ke di last minute man ke reng ya or what if I didn't have braids anymore plus vandaag ke go di tlosa ke se mogio ke batla go installa sala bad bitch vs ke be lovely yeah ke batla go nna bedi how many languages do you speak yo a lot ke batla go nna bedi so lobby no tla
No, that's not.
ka 11
Just before lunch, I'll be leaving here.
nya ke mo sa dirang chipele o go ja kwa sheba nya o rata o khetlile boitumelo o khetlile batho ba makenbini ba na le madi ska bua maka mo le legne o maka nya a go kgonege makenbini
What time is shooting?
ke go shoota after lunch hle ke tletse one scene hela line ya ka e 3 words hela true ke nagana gore ke thuma ga le gone the other one ga ke bua ke
If ela ya sekolo.
ya sekolo a ke re ke hano wa fatsa mai
Ke eo ke na go ba sheba bo tsoba.
hela yalo because le rata go mpona mo CV ex soek net geld nie hela yalo I love you. Please answer me. I have been commenting my role model. You're acting. I feel like. Thank you so much, Tatos. Is it not hard reading Spady scripts? No, it's not. Do you speak Tonga? Yes. Yeah, bro.
That's nice.
Yeah, ga ke go ja di cheaper. I know I'm hungry, but cheapers. What if I get sick? And expire hungry, yo. Maar ek sal wel net getiking magwinyas and stuff. Yo. Yeah, I ate in the morning, maar like it was nie lekker nie. Like, hey, gewoon in net iets mafura man. You have a Kimberley accent. What's your home language? Setswana. My mom is colored, my dad is Tswana. Yo, ere ke nwe baroka. Gati ke nwa muthi. Gante isn't the generator on? Ela. Again, I am commissioning agency. You can email them or you can DM them on Instagram. What are you guys shooting for? It's a surprise. Yeah, man. What's it, Didi, man? Hi, guys. Guys, Leah vote, Amar. Leah vote. No, like Leah vote, Amar, eh? Dua stronger, kiring. Mo killing thing, guys, you are at home, miss you. At home, miss. But I am Kanyisa Hakiti. She was the Kanyisa to check out and kill a man. Without check out and kill a Kanyis. I love you, Mackenzie. You doing good? I'm good. How are you? I'm just tired, yo. I thought me so man. I thought me so. Guys, le vote mar. No, it doesn't only like open January. I love you, Rebecca. Nagranza. Rea vote Shem voting like what's a king? Take a little change. I got lots of Friday the voting lines like so can you like le vote it's more like like ya le language like le vote like unlimited le voting good because like like hi Ritavo, I'm your brother from Zimbabwe. Mamuka say Tilicha and you vote language I also drop a go YouTube. The thing is, the content that I want to drop, I can't drop it now. Because I vlogged for you. But I Zimbabwean. I'm not Zimbabwean, but I can speak Shona. Yeah, I would take from my mouth to God's ears in Jesus' name, amen. So I can voting and like I can like devote channel like dinnerly kid unlimited vote. So I can like voting. Like voting every second to vote. Ke le kgopela. Polish where to vote star 120 star 320 20 star 3 hash and then vote for number 11. I repeat star 120 star 320 20 star 3 hash. Ke batla founela gogo tabe isras. It's one thing about me and zoning out. I'm sorry, guys. We'll vote all the way from Siabe and Marapi and we love you. I love you more. Didn't catch that. Star 120, star 320, 20, star 3 hash. I think so. Oh yeah, how come you speak Shona but not Zimbabwean? Yo, shame. Just one of my ways. Pull it on. It's like when I'm Tswana but I speak Spedi. Yo. One of those. Yeah, true. So can you please give me a beautiful name? I'm going to labor next week. Is your child a boy or a girl? Mesh K. True, yo, yeah. What's it? Did you have man? More than more. Come more as mama. Go. But I would almost happy Lovia Nankara about swing. Couple voting, guys, Galocopel. Could know like Galocopel, couple voting. Are you tired? Yes, I slept late. Oliga. Say me, Wana, say me. 1-0, guys. Olga is a goat.
Is it what?
You are a goat. Olga is a goat. Utla mmereko nka wanzi.
Guys, Letaba, you still alive?
Yes. Kiba ujotsa kwa mvutele.
You're beautiful inside and out. Come on. Oh, when I see you reminder.
Reminder. Guys, Olga utle mmereko nka wanzi. My leader.
Kitla mmereko nka.
That's the question.
Kitla mmereko nka wanzi, honey.
My leader.
Honey.
My leader.
Because my production company fetches me at the gate and
Period.
drops me back. You know why? Because I deserve to be shelf honey.
Ara mosadi o tla ntshwarela. Are mosadi o tla ntshwarela. Ko votela ka tšhelete ya grocery ke a khopela.
Someone
Like o tla
said-
understand.
Someone said, I want to ask you something. Please request. Barma.
Okay, so. Gantele mmerekong. Eh. Ke mang? Ke moletse.
I'm not feel tired. Mmerekong, Chomi, the hustle continues. Honey, one never robali reactor.
Re di hectara.
React. I'm gonna feel tired. Like, looks on me. Reactor, Chomi, a robali.
Una.
Yeah, she is. Come on, 20.
Ka tloga a go bona le question.
Kare o votela.
Let's for charity. Please do the shoulder thingy. Ke tlo etsa. I'm just tired now.
Hello, Letao.
Hi, Katlego.
What's up?
I'm good. How are you?
Ke sharp. So batla o disa so batla actor o etsa jwang?
O join an agency, Chong.
Agency.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, thanks. What's up, man?
I'm good, Shame. I'm just tired. When I vote, am I
You can vote.
Umaka.
Seriously.
Thank you.
We were most status in WhatsApp. With family, I have to move voted.
It's a move like in so one Letao. Ntswa ke a kere go ke scheme sa me.
Yeah. And I vote ngata.
Ga ke tlo votela ska wara we.
No problem. Thank you so much, Name.
O kae lo watle?
I think.
O dula go kae?
Chomi.
Eh.
I don't know.
Okay, o dumedise.
Tla mo dumedisa ne.
Yeah.
Sharp sharp.
Amo sa robetse.
Eh?
O sa robetse.
Hey, I say.
Yo, this time.
Hey.
Yeah.
You hard work.
For sure we suji.
I can't think.
Awe suji.
No, Shame. Send money for food. Sure.
Watching.
Yo. O batla o kae?
But easy working.
No. Eh?
Eleta, ke ro batla o kae?
Di batla 10K ya McDonald's.
Yes.
Yo, 10K. Eh?
If you can't afford me and the live.
Anka wa for that.
Buy out.
Let's have a
Buy out.
show me a cookie man. Para valor le ka wena Olga. TK mesh.
Ke mo lora ka wena.
Ari ke mesh K.
Letabo
Ke Letabo. Letabo.
Eh?
Ke mo lora ka wena.
A valor ka nna. Umpe 10K man.
Mpe account.
Na le maka.
Wait.
Nka o betcha ju.
Yeah, right, DM. Send
Why are betcha
Send
so ghetto?
ka Shoprite.
Ka yo pride. Yo batla mtsara ko. Nana ke tsore 10K.
Are send ka Shoprite. Star 120 star 320 20.
Hey, Olga. Yes, my name is Olga.
Ke Letabo.
Eh?
Ke re nana ke tsore 10K ke tsena go Shoprite ju.
Eh, ya ke re itse nna.
Yo, wow.
Oh, botsa ke ntswa ke.
Hi, cash send in your phone number.
Not phone number.
Hey.
Hey, I'm pin number tsawe.
Wa bona ke yona problem. That's why re romella ka Shoprite.
What's that chance, boy?
Nna ke tsa go tsoriwa po
Busy ka mapana, boy.
Yeah. Yeah, e tlo wena ba nna le thao.
Nna ke nyaka monna o tsuba dipatše ke ba le bana ba o tsuba dipatše ke nyaka batolo ba bo fa joint free wa re tsoga re dia breakfast re to e bitša dipatše fast bo fa fast re tsube fast
Family yona di tlo boya. Nna ke tsube dipatše.
ba bona ra o type yaka sharp ba ba e type
Ba le thao.
a o type yaka skis tšhono
E bana. Ga no na le mengwe mo kae?
yo o red flag o red flag o red flag ke na le 16 dumelang my ladies hi kgoši gadi ke re ke nwa baroka mo for energy ke file ke medic ba re ke nwa modi ba re ke nwa modi a butola ke red flag tšo ag ke nyako nyala mosadi wa go tsuba dipatše ke bele bana ba go tsuba dipatše ke nyaka batolo ba go fa joint flu wa re tsoga re dia breakfast re to e bitša dipatše fast bo fa fast re tsube fast I rebuke yo Yazala Mudima I rebuke
That other thing, I was wearing mine with this hair. And then like literally I'm natural because I'm home. With the shoes, latest thing.
Nyaki chore ke tlala mane
After Moja.
after the scene really did Charlie say that hey
You know do bella fela.
mara we can eat first ke re ba sentsana ba etsa
You know do bella fela now.
ska wa ga lock and you gonna see me mama ke re letse petition ya gore bring back Mtswaki la gane excuse paje fast yes you're so nice Shem thank you type it out go Jamaica how do we start the petition online don't forget to vote mole wa nke tsamaya le wena we
Oh, manga voted right.
I have a competition in September. I would love to have you as a judge. Please email me umbuke hle.
Email me, I'll send you my red card.
Period. Re ke ne ba roka e hle ke utlwe re jwang.
Ke ba roka baby.
I hope it tastes nice. Hey. Ba re letha botshomi ya gotle. Bo kopa o ntse di out.
A go mele pele ka Shoprite ke tla tlisa.
Wa rata Shoprite Olga. Schemes are not boring without you. Dira petition. Okay, bring back my loved one. Kumulengama. Iyo pinya. Ibanane.
Wala ba go ngamba wala. Kani unamba one. Good.
Iyo pinya.
Nakapazisa ke ma. Mo group ke etlelele ke go fe.
She has blonde braids. Blonde type of braids. And she's wearing a gray top.
Oh, okay, about that other room going to him. Okay, about that other room, right?
Yes. Did you see the smash up pass I did with the Khisom Kulis? No, I didn't see it. Wapinya. So you at Farmers Market. Why didn't you come and say hi? Iyo pinya kirle. Ibanane. Layungozi vumayo. Guys, Saturday, Saturday, I'm hosting acting auditions. I'm hosting modeling auditions. Go Semi-Max Chamber. 10 a.m. till 2 p.m. After 2 p.m., Kiatama. Star 120, star 320, 20, star 3 hash, and move on my level to my god. Like a jumpy so get
I've never tasted this, and I don't wish to, and I've never not cared about something.
Any blush?
No,
Any mimosa?
yeah, like I've never in my life seen something and not cared about it. Have you tasted it?
I don't drink alcohol.
But you.
I don't drink, I don't smoke.
But you vape.
I don't vape. I don't vape, Olga.
But vape, you don't know vape, but last week.
Kitchen cheats, Olga.
Oh, okay, sure. I wanna how you baby.
Lerato, I'm not avoiding. I just don't want to answer you. It's not like I owe you any explanation. I don't drink alcohol. I really don't drink alcohol. Like, I swear, I don't drink alcohol.
That's a good thing.
You know, like, even when I go to gigs, my riders, Astropesia 0%. Water, Red Bull. And then sometimes I'd even get riders somebody Hennessy and whatever. Then I give the Hennessy to my dad all the time. So I get like a collection. Then after getting a collection, I give it to my dad. I don't drink, like I swear. No, not even. No, not even. I don't drink at all.
That's a good thing.
And then Liberty Jägermeister, I give him to my brother. Nah, I keep it in.
That's my goal next year. You know what? Alcohol is just money consumed.
There we go. I didn't ask you the question. Whatever. I keep to work. I keep to work, man. That's safe. You're doing good. So I like the process. Thank you, Mulebogeng. Mulebogeng is my leader, man. You know, fela ko baza go tsholo hona se nna ke nwang ke ntswaki. Ntswaki ke na no ntswaki wa botobetse. Mkhotsi di chipa tsa go ke go di. Ke go ponke di chipa tsa go. Ha ke no di. Bona she gave me these snacks. Doesn't even know that it's called chipas.
Get a knick-knack.
I have a cousin who wants to be part of a beauty pageant. She's good. She must come to the auditions Saturday. And you must have the 350 application. And then you must check my Instagram. I posted about the auditions. I'm going to post again on my story. There's still no snacks. No.
There's nothing. Unless it...
Banana.
There's nothing. When are you going to do it?
You can come to support, but like also for the auditions, we accommodate LGBTQI. So if you're my gay girlies, you better pull up and come rock the stage. Please, for my sake, you. Hello. Oh, you brought us food.
You guys didn't have breakfast.
Like I promise, I got here late.
Say
it's
me and her.
No, no. But we put the
Oh, that's one. And
and all that.
Why? I never ate breakfast.
They didn't tell me. But
Is that for us?
But
I eat like one breakfast yo.
So but about bacon. But you can't bacon. But
Your body
I'll
size.
see.
No, one dinner because you wear just like me.
But if you see it, then it's fine.
Can I turn the camera? You hide your face.
I've seen your body since you have.
Because wait na.
Okay, I'll talk.
Kikupa, I'm switching the camera. Please just say hi. Olga.
I'm gonna say hi.
Olga, wait. Chomo. Guys, bona, ke kopa le seeing this lady's body.
Oh my god.
Yo.
I was just supposing it. Yeah.
Can I itle kwano wimpy okay?
No, because the time I got here, I got straight makeup. Remember the first thing you got like I
think she didn't know because Vitako and
Mbata.
Okay.
So I don't think she knew.
Right.
Yeah, but
Remove the filter. Olga, o tlaile ka filter. O feel jwang? O busy? God gave Olga everything.
You tell her filter.
But o mesh K o sera.
Hi, bo.
Ke kopa dijo tse o di tle kwano ke di reverse hle yo.
Ah, dina le bacon.
No.
Ah, so
Tse ha dina bacon. Ona le alsa. Get Ino. Oh, get Ino. Oh. The jelly we love, big enough to feed all of Mzansi.
we got her lunch.
Makanta brand.
I think to Brenda promote ya ba patalo wena. Oh. Mo jan trainer. O itse re jang? Ko tata controna. Yeah, it's so yeah. So, ka mo haina.
Nya he eman.
Nya
Le site re tlhaga.
Nya. Nya
Eh, gwa tshwana man. Tshwere ke tla.
But true. Really, take it back.
I thought it's bigger
Hey,
and shit.
hey. Isn't? Are you sure it's not? It isn't.
Please check if it's the same thing.
Yeah, I don't think it is.
But Olga's got Jelaman.
Hello. Here's mine, bitch.
Hello.
Eh? It's the same thing, I can't think like I don't know the bacon. No, so I'm not lying. I thought she meant
No, outside.
oh.
There's bacon outside.
Okay, it's fine. I don't care. Yeah, boy, I go vape. When I eat jam.
Why rather vape with Olga obsessed with vape?
Yeah, I'll take a little for birthday.
Imagine.
Present next year.
Now my birthday is coming next month. What are you saying?
When?
On the 14th of September.
14th of September. Are you Libra?
Virgo.
Virgo. Okay, I'll be back.
Amen. Bye bye, guys.
I must